A good portable solar panel is invaluable in the field, allowing you to harness the sun's free energy to recharge your power station and other compatible devices. Say goodbye to traditional power sources and embrace the freedom of solar energy. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best portable solar panel kits you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the SunJack Backpacker series, ranked as the 5th best portable solar panel kit, featuring the SunJack 25-watt foldable IP67 waterproof ETFE monocrystalline solar panel charger. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this solar panel charger offers rugged durability and unmatched performance, making it an essential companion for backpacking, camping, hiking, and more. Constructed with a weatherproof ETFE exterior layer, this charger boasts improved durability and longevity compared to traditional PET construction. Its IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in any weather condition, while the integrated magnetic closure system keeps the panels securely folded during storage. Equipped with powerful monocrystalline panels and dual USB ports, this charger delivers fast charging speeds of up to 3 amps per port, ensuring your devices are charged quickly and efficiently. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or preparing for emergencies, this solar panel charger is a reliable solution. With a price tag of $79, it offers unbeatable value and is backed by a 12-month hassle-free warranty, ensuring peace of mind for your outdoor adventures. Meet the BigBlue 28-watt solar charger, the pinnacle of portable solar panel technology. This upgraded version boasts 3 USB-A ports, each capable of delivering a maximum output of 5V 2.4A, with a combined maximum current of 5V 4.8A. This means you can charge multiple devices simultaneously, all while benefiting from smart charge technology that optimizes charging speed for different devices, ensuring efficient and safe power delivery. Featuring highly efficient SunPower solar panels, this charger achieves up to 24% solar conversion, making it one of the most durable and effective options available. With its PET polymer surface and rubber-covered ports, it's built to withstand the elements, ensuring reliable performance even in adverse conditions. Perfect for camping trips or emergency situations, the BigBlue solar charger is compact, lightweight, and easily portable. Its dimensions of 11.6 by 6.3 by 1.3 inches when folded and weight of 20.5 ounces make it an essential addition to any outdoor enthusiast gear. For just $72, the BigBlue 28-watt solar charger offers unparalleled convenience and reliability, making it a must-have for anyone on the go. Discover the XDragon Portable Solar Panel Kit, ranked as the 3rd best choice for portable solar solutions. Equipped with cutting-edge Solar IQ technology, this kit boasts a built-in smart IC chip that optimizes current and voltage to deliver peak power output. With a maximum current of 2 amps per port or 3 amps overall, it ensures rapid charging under direct sunlight. Featuring SunPower solar cells renowned for their exceptional efficiency, up to 22 to 25%, far surpassing the market average of 15%. The XDragon kit guarantees reliable performance. Its dual USB power functionality allows simultaneous charging of cell phones and other 5V devices, making it ideal for outdoor adventures or emergency situations. Crafted with durability in mind, the kit's PET solar panels and rugged Oxford fabric provide weather-resistant protection, ensuring longevity in diverse outdoor environments. For added convenience, the package includes a 20-watt foldable solar charger, 4 hooks, a micro USB cable, and an instruction manual, all for a competitive price of $56. Introducing the BioLite SolarPanel 100, the epitome of portable solar panel kits, ranked as the 2nd best in its category. This innovative device harnesses the sun's energy to charge your devices directly or pair seamlessly with the BioLite Base Charge series for a comprehensive solar generator solution. Equipped with USB-A and USB-C PD ports, it offers versatility in charging options, while the included HPP port allows connection to base charge 600 and 1500 for expanded power capacity, with the ability to daisy chain up to 4 panels for 400-watt output. BioLite's patented optimal sun system simplifies setup, utilizing an analog sundial for precise positioning and adjustable kickstands for optimal sunlight capture. The kit includes the SolarPanel 100 and an instruction manual, with a built-in rear pouch for convenient cable and device storage. Priced at $95, it offers exceptional value for a reliable, sustainable power solution. Say hello to the Jackery SolarSaga 100, the top choice in portable solar panel kits. Setting up is a breeze with its 2 kickstands, providing stability on any surface. Within moments, you'll harness solar energy to power your Jackery station. Thanks to its monocrystalline silicon cells and multi-layered technology, it boasts an impressive 23% conversion efficiency, outperforming traditional panels. Durability is paramount with its ETFE laminated case, ensuring longevity while maintaining portability. Rated IP65 water-resistant, it withstands splashes, though it's not meant for direct exposure to rain or immersion in water. Convenient zippers on the pocket secure power cords and protect ports. Priced at $295, the Jackery SolarSaga 100 is an investment in reliable, renewable power for your off-grid adventures. Whether charging phones or powering Jackery stations, its versatility makes it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts seeking sustainable energy solutions. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.